Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the delivery information in the Victoria's Secret MENA application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the My Account button. And if you scroll down at the end, look for the Customer Service button and just click on that. And then click on the Delivery Information button. And as you can see, you will find all the necessary infos that you need to know on the app's delivery system. So the options, safety measures, and home delivery information, payment options. So everything you need to know before ordering an item from this application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.